This free text-to-animated video generator comes with different anime characters for consistency and can even generate realistic videos. Not only that, you can upload your own image and can have full control on its animation. It is great for creating text-to-animated stories for platforms like Instagram and TikTok. In this video, I will show you how to create AI videos and voiceovers completely for free. Welcome to Pixverse AI. Link is in the video description. Now there are two ways to generate your AI videos. You can click on this Discord community tab to join their Discord server and generate videos from there. Or you can get started on the web by clicking on this button and sign up for a free account. Then you will get to the dashboard where you have access to all the videos generated by its community. Just click on any video to see its related prompt which was used to generate the video, and you also have an option to upscale the video or create a similar video by clicking on the Create button. Right now, it is completely free to use, and the team behind this is working hard to improve it even further. First, let's generate a video from their web portal. So the first step to generate text to video is to click on this Create button at the top right corner. This will take you to the video creation page. Here at the left side are some parameters which you need to define. First of all, you have to select if you want to convert text to video or image to video. In the text to video section, you first have to write your prompt, let's say a blue-haired mage singing. Then you can write a negative prompt if you want to specify some restrictions. Next, we have the Style tab. Choose from realistic, anime, or 3D animation. Then select the aspect ratio. If you are creating vertical videos, then select 9:16. And lastly, we have the seed number. It is used to reference any previous generations to keep that style and adjust its intensity with the slider. Finally, click on Create button to convert your text to video animation. After a few seconds, you'll see your AI-generated video at the right side of the screen. When you hover your pointer on the video, you can provide feedback to the team with the help of star rating, or if you like this AI video, then simply click on the heart icon. Let's click on the video to preview. That looks really nice. Now let's try the Image to Video tab. Here you have the option to upload an image or a set of graphical assets to organize in a folder. After uploading the image, you then have to write your prompt in this box. Let's say pan left, zoom out. And here you again have the option to reference a seed number from any of the previous generations. The strength of motion affects the animation speed. Somewhere around 0.70 works perfectly. Now click on Create button and it will start the AI video generation. And here's the preview of Image to Video AI. Now let's jump back to text to video and generate a 3D animation scene. I'll prompt as, in a dark forest, pushing along the forest floor speckled with tiny pale blue mushrooms, deep dense dark forest with tall ancient trees. Select the style as 3D animation, aspect ratio as 16:9, and click on Create button. That's a nice video for creating stories. Now let's jump into their Discord. From here, just click on any of the generate rooms, but let's say we want to generate anime, then I'll select it from here. But there's also a meme generation room, as well as image generation. Here you can see the generations of their community and can get inspiration by copying their prompts. So let's generate an AI anime video. In the message bar, type the / from your keyboard and then select the Create command. Here we have multiple different parameters. First, you need to write your prompt. Let's say a majestic lightning lion is walking on the beach. There is a big moon in the sky, and there is a slight lightning next to the lion. After that, press the Tab button on your keyboard to move to the Style section, and I'll choose Style as Anime. Next, I have the aspect ratio, let's say 16:9, and then character as none. I'll get back to the character shortly. Now, hit the Enter key on your keyboard to start the AI video generation. If you don't want to get lost in the generations of other users, you can simply click here to create a thread so that the AI-generated video pops up in the thread for a cleaner experience. And after a few seconds, here we have our AI-generated anime video. Here you also have these options to upscale any of these 4 generated videos or create more variations of any specific video. Now let's talk about the characters. So first, I will write my create prompt, for example, sitting on a sunny beach, then define the style as anime, then aspect ratio. And lastly, we have the character section. Here, the Pixverse team has already trained the model on different anime characters, which you can choose from the list. Let's say I want to pick this character. Now it will reference that selected character and generate the video. This is really great, especially if you don't want to deal with inconsistent characters. And here we have our AI-generated video in anime style. I like this fourth video. I also have the option to make variations of any of these videos to further check out new styles. But I'm going to click on U4 button to upscale that video because I like it. And finally, our upscaling is done. What I'm showing you is just basic stuff, but you can really go ahead and check out these community-generated videos and get inspiration. These are lots of wonderful videos in the server, and it's really up to your own creativity. I'd highly encourage you to visit pixverse.ai website and try it out for free. Link is in the video description. Now you might be wondering how to generate free AI voiceover. Well, first you have to click on this button to download all of your AI videos from Pixverse. You can simply go to Google and type CapCut. Open CapCut website and sign up for a free account, and from there you can use the web-based CapCut video editor. Simply upload your Pixverse videos here. Then drag and drop them onto the project timeline. Then go to Text tab and add a text layer. Now type your text in the text box. Now click on Text-to-Speech option from the right sidebar and choose a voice profile. And lastly, delete the text layer from the timeline and play the video.
This is a story of young boy who always pray in the morning.
Once done, click on Export and download the video in high quality. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new here, and I'll see you in the next one.